Welcome to today's episode. We're going to take a quick look at a topic that's both fascinating and super relevant. Stress belly, what it is, how it connects to weight gain, and if innovative approaches like the MetaLift can make a difference. With me today is our wellness expert Chantal from Easy Slimming to unpack it all. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be here and talk about something that so many people struggle with but might not fully understand.
So let's start with the basics. When we hear stress belly, what exactly does that mean? Is it just about having extra weight around the middle, or is it something more?
Great question. Stress belly refers to abdominal fat that's especially linked to chronic stress. Unlike general weight gain, stress belly has a lot to do with hormonal responses, specifically cortisol. When we're under long-term stress, our bodies release more cortisol, which can encourage fat to accumulate around the belly. It's not just a matter of overeating, it's truly a biological response to constant pressures.
That makes so much sense. A lot of people think weight gain is purely about calories, but hormones clearly play a huge part. So when we talk about addressing stress belly, what should people actually focus on beyond simple diet or exercise?
Absolutely. Of course, what you eat and how active you are matters, but reducing stress itself is crucial. That means looking at stress management strategies, making time for things like meditation, getting enough sleep, breathing exercises, even just carving out small moments to relax during a busy day. Identifying and minimizing the triggers of stress is also key. And then, yes, you complement that with a healthy lifestyle, balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and adequate hydration.
Now, I know today's big focus is on the MetaLift. Some listeners might not have heard of it yet. What exactly is the MetaLift, and how does it fit into this discussion about stress, belly fat, and holistic weight loss?
The MetaLift is a weight management supplement combo designed to tackle some of the biological factors related to stress belly. It claims to support the body in managing cortisol levels and metabolism. The idea is to aid the body's natural processes, helping regulate stress, supporting hormonal balance, and boosting metabolic efficiency. Of course, supplements are never a quick fix, but they can be a piece of the puzzle for people who are already working on lifestyle changes and who need an extra bit of help with stubborn fat, especially around the middle.
That's really interesting. If someone's thinking about trying the MetaLift, what kinds of ingredients are in it, and how do they supposedly help?
The MetaLift is made up of a mix of natural ingredients. While every formula is different, they usually focus on herbs, vitamins, and minerals that have research behind them for either reducing stress, managing energy, or supporting metabolism. You'll typically see components like adaptogens. Those are plants that help the body handle stress better, such as ashwagandha or rhodiola. Other additions could include green tea extract or ginseng, both known for their roles in fat burning and stabilizing blood sugar. The goal with these is to support your system, not replace healthy habits.
Let's talk about results. What should people expect? Is the MetaLift a magic solution, or is there a realistic expectation about how much it can help?
That's such an important question. No supplement is magic, despite what advertising sometimes implies. The MetaLift Combo, like other similar products, works best when used alongside a healthy diet, regular movement, and consistent stress management. Users might see more energy, less food craving, and gradually a reduction in belly fat if they're also making those core lifestyle changes. It's not an overnight process, and it definitely won't solve issues if stress levels remain high or healthy routines aren't in place. But for some people, it can provide a helpful boost.
Are there any safety concerns, or people who should really think twice before trying products like this?
While the MetaLift is made with natural, high-quality ingredients, everyone's body is unique. So it's always smart to chat with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on chronic medication or managing a specific health condition. Our formula was designed to support your goals safely and effectively, but getting your doctor's thumbs up just ensures it fits perfectly with your personal wellness journey.
That's a really balanced take, thank you. Before we wrap up, is there one piece of advice you'd share with our listeners who feel stuck in the stress belly cycle?
Absolutely. My biggest advice is be kind to yourself. The stress belly cycle is more common than people realize, and it doesn't change overnight. Focus on small, consistent habits that calm your body and mind, things like better sleep, mindful breaks, and nourishing meals. And when you're ready to give your body a little extra support, that's where something like the MetaLift can really help. It's designed to work with your body, not against it, supporting metabolism, balance, and energy as you make those lifestyle shifts. So start small, stay consistent, and remember, progress counts, no matter how slow it feels.
That's wonderful advice. Thank you so much for joining me today and sharing your insights. It's been so enlightening.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure. I hope our conversation today helps listeners take the next step toward feeling healthier and less stressed.
To everyone who tuned in, thanks for listening. Remember, addressing stress is a journey, but you're not alone on it. Catch you next time.